Hey man, thanks for watching. I got a video here how to check your headlights and taillights on the Easy Go. This is a factory Easy Go 6-seater, which means your headlights and taillights are off the key switch. You can see you got lights in whatever you turn them on, nothing happens. The first thing I'm going to do is check my fuse here. Your blue and white wires, your lights. You can take it and touch it to this side or another fuse, and you bypass it pretty much. Or you can take it and just try to stick it to the main positive here, and the headlights don't come on. So what I'm gonna do is turn my voltmeter on 20 volts. Put the black lead in the meter. I just stick it to the cable, and always touch the battery to make sure you got battery voltage. You can see when I touch it, you got voltage. All right, then you want to come over here. The red wire comes off the battery right here. This is your main battery that feeds the fuse block. You want to check it, and you got 12.74. Yeah, that's right. Same thing as the battery. And you want to come to this side of the fuse. Get your light wire here. Touch it. I got the same thing, 12.75. All right, so right there you know the fuse is good. Or you can just look at the glass fuse and see if it's broke. And then I'm gonna come up here to the key switch. I'm gonna get me a 3/16 drill bit because we're gonna put regular rivets back in the key switch. All right. Then I'm gonna take it. I mean, you can normally just push. You'll take something and push the inside of these rivets out. You just push the middle out. Like that, and then you can just put your key back in. Turn it on. Just pull out in place. Well, now the light started working. Now it quit working. All right, this is good. Let's see if they come on again. Now they're working. It's telling me you might be a loose wire back here. But your blue and white wire is for your headlights and taillights. So what you want to do, even if mine's working now, I'm going to show you what to do. Voltmeter on 20 volts DC. Now mine has this car here has a fuel gauge on it, so I can just come off. I just come off the fuel gauge ground. The ground lead there, the black wire on the fuel gauge. And then your blue, like I said, your blue and white wire is your headlights and taillights. You gotta bear with me, man. I'm doing it by myself here. So you want to black lead there. Here. Check the other side of the light switch, key switch. Let's see if I make a good connection. All right, we're just gonna pull the. Let's see here. At home, it should be easier by yourself, man, because you're not holding the phone recording and trying to do everything at one time. 8 volts. red lead in the meter and the blue and white wire. And the black lead on here. This is your feed wire here. You unplug both of them and check them. One should be constant voltage. Alright, so that's showing battery voltage there. Black lead here, red lead on the blue and white wire. But anyway, the way you can do it with one of them, you can just take these two wires here, the blue and white wires, and take them and jump them together. Cut you a wire, and just stick them in each lead. And connect them to each other, and if they come on, your key switch is bad. And the same principle with your light switch. If you take your light switch out and jump the two wires on the back of the light switch, and the headlights come on, your light switch is bad. But here it started working as I was wiggling the key switch, so I'm gonna say the key switch is bad. Yeah. All right, man. Just remember now, the purpose of your light switch is to make and break one wire. A lot of customers ask us, is it a hot and a ground that goes to it? And no, it's not a hot and a ground, because if you had a hot and a ground together, you would blow a fuse, because you would have a dead short. So the purpose of one switch, micro switch in the floorboard, any switch, is to make and break one wire. All right. So you can just take your wires off your light switch or your key switch, jump them together. If the headlights come on, or if you do it, if the car don't run, you can jump a micro switch the same way. Just touch the two wires together. And if the car runs, or in this case, the headlights come on, then you know that the switch or the key switch or the headlight's bad. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll make some more videos.